I'm live. Okay, just I'm on about a minute early, just kind of trying to get myself situated and check to make sure I'm showing up. How's everybody tonight? Or tomorrow morning when you watch the redo or rewind or the replay? Getting my words messed up. Okay, so it's going to be interesting at evening. Of course, it's Eastern time, so it's earlier in other places. People might be getting off of work or coming home from work. Who knows? Anyway, I hope there'll be lots of people who will join and watch the replay later if you aren't able to join now. So, hi, I'm Melissa. Melissa's Crafting Treehouse. Welcome, and I just want to, just trying to do Facebook Lives on a regular basis. I had such a blast doing it for my 15-year anniversary celebration in March, and so just trying to continue. And I did a series of rewind, redo. Hi, Erica. Welcome. Yay. So glad you're out there. So I did a series of Facebook Lives, and I see a heart. Yay. Okay, so distracted now. Okay, yes, so I did a series of videos. I did rewind, redo projects. Hi, Pam. And it was so much fun. So I took a project that I had made within the first year of being a demonstrator and redid it with new stamps and a refreshed look, and hopefully with years of experience under my belt, did maybe a nicer job, or who knows, maybe it was, not nicer. Okay, I'm getting silly now. Anyway, so I'm going to do that again because it was so much fun doing it for my anniversary celebration, and I said I would come on Wednesdays. When I did it last time, I did it at 5 p.m. on Wednesday. I'm thinking I need to maybe switch around the time. So here I am at 8:30 p.m. And hi, Amy. I'm probably not going to stick with Wednesdays. So anybody wants to chime in on the time and day that works for you, that's cool. What I'm thinking of doing is Sundays at Sunday late afternoon or evening, something on those lines, to maybe catch more people live on the weekend, and then maybe you still have Sunday evening to play and do the redo challenge. So that's kind of what I'm thinking right now. So today I'm going to do some news and updates, just things that are going on in the Stampin' Up! World, and I'm going to demonstrate the project, the rewind, redo, and I'm going to get better at saying that as I say it more. Rewind, redo, redo. Okay, I only can say it once. Hi, Karen. Welcome. So let's see. So, and then I'm going to also do a little giveaway, and I'm not going to tell you what it is until we get to the end. Emphasis little, but fun, of course. So just for news and updates, I'll try to make it quick. So Paper Pumpkin, some of you may know what it is. Actually, probably all of you who are watching know what it is, but it's a subscription program with an all-inclusive kit that comes in the mail, and you can get it either on a month-to-month basis as a subscription, or you can pre-purchase several of them at the same time. The reason why I bring it up now is because right now for new subscribers, Paper Pumpkin is 50% off for the first 2 months. I see Karen just waved at me. Oh my goodness. I love that. Thank you, Karen. Now I'm getting something in my throat as I laugh. Okay, so anyway, so it's 50% off for new subscribers, so it's a great deal. So normally the kit's about $20, so $10, and you get everything in there to make at least 8 things. Most of the time it's cards, but it's other projects, 3D items. Could be a Valentine's treat around Valentine's Day. Anyway, it's really cool. So 50% off, you can't beat that deal. So that lasts from now until May 10th. It's been going on for a little while, but you have until May 10th to sign up if you're new. And you do have to use a special code, SAVE500418 is what it is. Anyway, and it's 50 FIFTY. So let's see, what else can I tell you? Okay, so that's pretty much it for Paper Pumpkin. And I am getting ready to go to On Stage Local, the Stampin' Up! Event in Atlanta. And these events are held all over the country. and I'm so super excited. I'm going with my friend Jennifer Grandstrand. Yay, Jennifer's going with me. And so one of the things that's customary at these live events, well, is people sometimes do gifts. So I want to show you a little gift that Judy Pinner made for me, and maybe Judy will, come on in and she'll see. And I love this gift that she made for me. It says Melissa, backwards, of course. And there's notebooks on the inside, pads to write in. And then, of course, a pen. And so when you go to one of these events, you want to be able to write notes. And so it's really super handy. So guess what? I've made something for Jennifer, but I'm not going to show it. I might have to show it next time. Well, I'll have to take pictures and show it. So anyway, I have a little gift for her. So shh, don't say anything. But she might watch the video and find out anyway. So so anyway, I'm really excited to go to On Stage. It's a great fun. We stamp. We learn about new products. We see fellow demonstrators. Karen, are you going? Anybody here who's going to On Stage? Comment and let us know if you're going to an On Stage, and if so, where. So let's see. We get free product, we do swaps, and Jennifer and I are going down a day early because a fellow demonstrator, Brian King, is doing an event that we're attending. So we're going to do, it's going to be an all-day event on Friday, which will be super fun, and then we're doing a shoebox swap on Friday night. So, and then Saturday is the full-day Stampin' Up! Event. So it's the best time ever, and probably second to stamping my brains out. I love going to these events. So let's see, what else can I tell you? So the big, huge thing that we're going to get to, what's going to happen at On Stage, is we're going to get the new annual catalog that comes out for everybody else, for customers, on June 1st in our hot little hands. And so only people who go to On Stage, one of these On Stage events, actually gets to get the catalog in hand that early. So that, for most of us, all of us that do this, it's just a great kick, and we love it. So so we're going to get the catalog in hand, and let's see what else. So like I said, the annual catalog, the new one, goes live June 1st, but demonstrators get to pre-order May 2nd, so that's really cool, even if you don't go to the On Stage event. And all demonstrators will get to view the PDF of the annual catalog online on April 9th, and there's a reason why I'm telling you all this. I'm trying to entice you, because being a demonstrator is an awesome thing. So, and then on top of that, those of us that are going to On Stage, so as of April 7th, which is the date of the On Stage event, we'll get to actually pre-order items from the annual catalog that goes live for everybody else June 1st, and for demonstrators May 2nd. So that's a super, super fun benefit of getting to go. So, hi, Linda. Welcome. Anyway, so On Stage. So leave a comment and tell me if you're going to one of the On Stage events, and of course you'd have to be a demonstrator. Just say what city it is that you're going to, and then if you're not a demonstrator, comment if you wish you were going and how much. And anything you want to say. Hi, Brenda. Okay, so let's see, moving right along. So I did want to, so that's comment number one, and I'm not doing a hashtag thing. Just leave a comment and let me know what you think. So if you're going to On Stage, let me know. If you wish you were going, let me know. And comment number two is name something that you hope is in the new catalog. So that might be something like, I wish there were more flowers. There's usually lots of flowers, so people might not say that. But oh, I wish you could go too, Pam. Maybe next time. You'll come in November when we go to Orlando. It will be so much fun. Let's see. So yeah, anything that you wish were in the new catalog, something that went away, or a new accessory, or anything, just comment and let us all know what you think. Okay, so just a little bit about joining the Stampin' Up! Family, because this is also a really awesome time to do that. So obviously you know that if you join, you get to do these pre-orders, you get to see the catalog early, and that's just really fun. So if you join the Stampin' Up! Family, and hopefully my team, you get the best kit in the catalog, first of all. It's not the best bundle. I said that in one of my previous videos. It's really the best kit in the catalog because it's an awesome deal. So $99 is what it costs, and you get $125 worth of product, so that's really, really great. And if you're a hostess, you can apply hostess rewards towards it. That's what Pam did. Yay, Pam. And of course, she did during Celebration, so she got 2 free stamp sets, too. So let's see. What else was I going to tell you? So if you join between Oh, yay. Yes, Amy's commenting, yay. Maybe November, yay, Amy. Okay. So if you join between May 2nd and May 31st, you can actually choose annual catalog pre-order products for your starter kit. So that's a pretty cool cool thing. So you also will get, if you join within that window, you'll get 8 catalogs that are this year's 2017-18 catalogs, and then 8 catalogs from next year's catalog, the 2018-19 annual catalog, in your starter kit. So they stock you up with all that you need in order to spread the word and share the love of Stampin' Up. Let's see. Oh, yes. I would love to have you come, Erica. Hope you will join sometime and go with us to an event. Okay, so the other thing that comes with a new catalog coming in is things going away. So the retiring items list is coming out really soon. In fact, it's coming out on Monday, this coming Monday, April 9th. So that's kind of exciting, kind of sad. It's all sort of mixed, but you can check back on my blog and find the retiring items list as of the 9th. It's Monday. And the retiring items will be available until May 31st or while supplies last. So this is the time not to wait. If there's something that you really want, I would get it, because it's no guarantee that it'll actually be there if you wait too long. So, and that's particularly true of the outgoing in colors. So we have a set of colors, the 2016-18 in colors, and that are retiring. So Emerald Envy, Dapper Denim, Sweet Sugar Plum, Flirty Flamingo, and Peekaboo Peach. Don't you love those names? I love them. Anyway, I have to just show them. Here are my ink pads. Emerald